Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac, and we're getting ready for Michigan Miles, the Dragon Drive race, or Dragon Drive event. So we put in this cold air intake by Airaid. It's a pretty budget-friendly cold air intake without having to do a tune. So pretty much all the other ones that we looked at needed a tune, and we're not doing the tune until after the races, so it just ended up working out. It'll bring in more air, colder air, all the things. And today we're gonna be doing oil change. So this is Driven Racing Oil. It's a whole kit. It's got everything in it. All the oil you'll need. Jesus, I can't get it. Okay. All the oil you'll need. A little rag, an oil filter, and a paper funnel, a paper funnel. And it's specifically made for the LT1 and LT4 engine, so for this car. And it's got a little bit of the ZDDP in it, kind of like the Corvettes that we did, so it should do all the racing things. All right, let's get to it. Don't ask me why I took a shower right before we did this, because I'm sweating. All right, so, what? Okay, never mind. This little wire thing I thought was in the way, but it's not. All right, we're gonna push in while we undo it. Okay, maybe. It's already hand tight. Okay. Come on, oh, I did pretty good. On my fingers. Anyways, if you were wondering, this thing takes 10 quarts of oil. So it's gonna be a second while it's pouring out, okay? Let me go dry my hand off. So pretty much every car, you just take out the oil plug and then you take out the oil filter. How does this go in this one? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I'm not. This way. Oh look, I got it the first try. Boom. Never mind. Maybe it just moved. All right. All right, let's pull this over because it will leak some fluid. Ah, that was a bad idea. Well, I'm gonna go get a glove. Do it fast, don't do it slow. That was good, real good. All right, let it drain out and then we'll clean it up and put everything back. No, I got it on me. All right, we're gonna clean this up. All you do is wipe off the extra oil. Maybe don't put it in the oil pan, that'd be smart. Stop dripping on me. All right. Now we're gonna put in the filter. Make sure you put some oil on it. Doesn't matter if it's new or old. What? Oh. All right. And your oil filter should just go on hand tight. Maybe if I can get it on there. Okay, there we go. All right. Hand tight. Now, that's still dripping, but it should be pretty good. All right. Is it pretty good? Yeah, okay. put your drain plug back in and then look up the specifications for your car to know what the torque you need on it is. For this one, it is 18 foot-pounds. This is the right thing. Had to get a different torque wrench, but it's torqued down to 18. Now we're gonna lower the car and get the oil in. This is stuck. All right, we're gonna put it in. This oil is also for direct injection. It helps prevent the soot buildup. I don't know, it says specifically, prevents deposits on the intake valves. All right. Shows you how to pour the oil. If you've never poured oil, make sure you look at the bottle because it makes it so that way it doesn't have all the air and blow back. Why is this hard? Okay, here we are. Oh my God. I feel like a child that had child lock on it. Okay. Pour this way, which seems counterintuitive, but it helps. All right, and you're just gonna pour whatever your car needs in it. Make sure you look up the car that you have, because obviously this takes 10 quarts, but that's ridiculous. No car should do that. And just keep on pouring. Ten quarts are in, she should be serviced. Make sure you put your plug back on. And we're gonna fire her up and then check the quantity to make sure everything is all good. All right, let's check the dipstick. Oh, what? Oh, Jesus Christ. Wow, this is different. Look at that. That's not like any I've ever changed. All right. Well, how do you tell on this thing? Is it that bottom part? Camera wouldn't focus on it, but it is different than my normal one. It's got little X's to show you low and high, so look at that. Anyways, oil is all good, so we are serviced and ready to go. My truck still needs an oil change, so there might be another oil change in the near future. However, next week is Michigan Miles, so look forward to some future drag racing videos from yours truly. If you happen to be in the area and want to come watch me drag race in Michigan, feel free to come stop by. Other than that, like, subscribe. I'll see you next week.